Okay, so
Yeah.
we have Ricky with us who's showing us the place.
This is the VIP room. This is the waiting area of the clients and everyone.
Okay.
And this is the salon where all the salon stuff, manicure, pedicure, hair related, anything, it's available over here. And this is the area of art over here. So it's like, it's a 360-degree wellness center. And now you get dental, skin, hair, and nails, everything in one room.
Wow, awesome. And I already saw the sanitization procedures you guys are following. So you actually end up sanitizing this whole place every
Yeah,
day?
every day, sanitize every day. The whole department sanitizes every day. So this salon is the base, this is the main area of salon. Everything is done in this area.
Super cool. Wow, it's nice and spacious and so well done. I love the mirrors.
This is the nail department. This is the nail area, this is the nail where we do all nails,
Okay.
all kind of related nails, like anything, acrylic, gel, all of the stuff. This is the procedure room, where the doctor performs procedure. Where the dermatologist, the skin, whatever skin, like hair transplant, microneedling,
Oh, super cool.
PRP, anything.
Okay.
Whatever comes in skin, this is the area which we perform. This is a small area for training area for weight loss program.
Oh,
Yeah, this is the OT room. This is called procedure room, where dermatologists perform all kinds of skin treatments.
awesome. Okay, they've actually got a treatment here. Super cool.
This is a hoist machine where we perform, like there's a trainer called Farheen and all. We've been trained.
So basically it's all in one, right?
Yeah,
It's
all in
got,
one.
you've got skin, you've
Yeah.
got hair, you've
Yeah.
got treatments, you've
Yeah,
got weight
everything in
loss.
one room. No
You've
need to
got-
go anywhere, just come to work, finish your treatment and go home.
Woohoo! What's out there?
This is like a spa room, like all waxing stuff, which
Ah.
should be done in one room.
Right,
It's
right,
not be done in
right.
open place. So
Right.
the waxing and every salon stuff happens in this room. So
Oh,
this
okay.
main room is dedicated to salon with that area.
Okay, okay. Hi, Didi.
This Angita, she performs like salon stuff, waxing, manicure, pedicure and everything.
Oh,
The doctor room, this is dermatologist, like every doctor. We have Dr. Sonia, we have Dr. Kalim. They are
Okay.
all from Boston located. Dr. Sonia is Boston located. Dr. Kalim is also from London located.
okay.
We have practiced his dermatologist in London.
Oh.
And Dr. Karim in Boston. So this room number 3 is Dr. dedicated. And this is the room number 2, where all skin facials,
Okay.
hydra facial, skin polishing happens in room number 2, room number 1.
Okay.
This is dental department. That's called Dr. Manali inside. She's a doctor. She's
Okay.
a dentist.
Okay.
She's performing some procedure right now. I cannot take you inside.
Yeah.
This is the director. Where the director sits. This is the director room. Where the director himself sits inside and manages the whole department.
Okay. So basically, if one is coming here,
And this is admin. There's all accounting, all back office work is managed by the admin department.
got it. So you've got your hair sorted, you've got your skin
Skin
sorted,
sorted,
you've got your
everything.
dental problems sorted,
Yeah.
and you've got other skin procedures. So,
Yeah, she's the aesthetic. She's a senior aesthetic. She's
Hi.
Sakina Bakira.
hi Sakina, you've got a huge place. And like I was just telling him that, oh my god, one comes here and gets sorted
Sorted
for
everything.
everything. Super. Congratulations, yeah, great place. So basically, when a bride comes here, she's all
So
sorted.
all sorted, everything, skin, starts from skin. First the bride's skin should be proper and like smooth, then
Correct.
there's about marriage.
Correct.
These are cosmetic treatment, botox, fillers,
Right.
everything.
Super.
Chemical peel, like chemical peels have various types of peels, glycolic, salicylic, acid peel, everything.
Right, depending on your skin type.
Depending on your skin type, complete. This is botox and fillers.
Ah.
This is Botox.
Oh wow,
and
you can
filler.
see the before and
Yeah.
after. Okay.
See, this is brightening and whitening. Who wants glow for their marriage?
Correct.
So they can go for hydra, they can go for photofacial, mesofacial. We have like there are two types of smile. That's like, you know, the zoom whitening, you must be knowing about it. And there's called manual whitening, which is done manually. Zoom whitening is done from the with the machine, laser machine.
Okay.
It's not a laser machine, sorry, it's a light machine. Like you put it on your feet for
Okay.
45 minutes and it gives you instant effect. And it stays for 1.5 years.
Wow.
It's done for all the brides. We make a customized package for the bride.
Right.
Under her budget, nothing Empowerment. The makeup artists. We have a collaboration with top 10 makeup artists. Like
Oh, super.
you'll see Gravity. It's a Gravity kind of a performance.
Okay.
When we perform under power play.
Okay.
This is called high IQ training ATS machine. So this is all kind of body control or like nutrition and something like that. The essence of styling. We
Alright.
style the groom and we style the bride.
Right. So once you're done with your skin, hair,
Then
your
you're done with your skin,
dental.
hair, dental. Then last
When it
main
comes to-
stuff is
correct.
styling yourself.
Correct.
Then we style.
I know you can't see her face behind the mask, but then we need to follow the procedures, which is very, very important. She's the hair expert here, and I think we're going to do something different today.
Hello. I can't see you.
I thought you were taking vertical.
No, I'm taking horizontal first.
Okay. So here we are with Farha. I think we are almost midway, and I am completely looking forward to the makeover. I know it's kind of funny right now, but I'm sure it's going to be like a before and after a while.
Excited?
Yeah, of course. After a long, long time, I'm getting something done to my hair. So yes, looking forward.
Okay. Yeah.
And I have chosen like a glitter and a pinker tone to go with that. So looking forward to another
You keep doing often nails or you keep
No, not really.
Not
I'm
really.
not a nail person at all. I would just apply a nail color and that's it.
So what's the experience in Uber Care right now going like?
It's been great. First of all, the whole sanitization procedure, so you feel completely safe, and of course, everyone's really friendly. I don't feel like I'm coming up for the first time. You know, which is so important because I think a client has to feel completely comfortable. So completely comfortable.
Absolutely.
You've got a great staff. And
Thanks a lot. That means a lot.
yeah, and now I'm gonna show off my new nails.
Yeah, we'll wait for the end of the results.
Yup.
Thank you. Bye.
Here I am with the new hair color and new haircut, all thanks to Farha. I think this was exactly what I was looking for. Like I haven't done it for a while, so I think it makes me look different. And I think I'll let Farha say something. Okay, so here we are with Unnati and I am getting gel nails done. Now the nails have been stuck and they've been cut up to desired length, and now she's applying gel to even them out, right?
Yeah.
And then what is going to be the next step, Unnati?
Next step will be filing and then polish.
So anyone looking at gel nails in Mumbai, you could come to Uber Care and meet Unnati. Can we see your pretty face? Okay, so I'm all done, and that's my beauty gel nails on my hair. I think completely feeling pampered today. It was great being here. Thank you once again, Uber Care, all the staff at Uber Care, especially Farha and Unnati. And of course, there's been Ricky who's been here throughout. So thank you once again. And
Most welcome.
you know, guys, whoever's in Mumbai and looking at like a good place, a safe place, and great staff, please come to Uber Care and give yourself some needed practice.